Well, these days everybody can create a YouTube channel. That's not quite difficult task. But what is special in this video, I'm gonna show you from scratch to a professional looking YouTube channel that you can customize according to your needs and according to your niche. I'll be showing you how to create a Gmail account, then how to customize your banner, your profile picture, your watermark, and your links, how you can provide your social media links, and how can you write your about section, and how can you attract other companies monetize your content even though if you don't have 1000 subscribers. So make it professional, learn from the scratch. This video covers everything from scratch to a professional looking YouTube channel. So let's go to the screen. To get started from the scratch, you need a banner like this one. Then you need a profile picture according to your niche. It could be your watermark, logo, whatsoever. And then you need this subscribe button and some other information. That information include all these things. I will be showing step by step how to create, how to do this one, and why you need this information. You need name, handle, basic information, channel URL, links, contact information, and some tags and the block words that you can block for your channel. Right now I'm gonna minimize this one and we are gonna start from the scratch. Go to youtube.com and here you will see sign in option. Click on sign in. If you already have Gmail account, then sign in with that Gmail account. If you don't have, then create new account, and here are three options. I'm using it for my personal use, so for my personal use, and here you type your name, first name and last name. Enter your date of birth and gender. Here enter your email address. If you don't have an email, just go to this one, get an email, and here is my email. Next one, here you type your passcode. Hit next. Type your recovery email. Hit next, and here you type your phone number. Select the country and then type your phone number. Hit next, get the code, verify the code, skip this part, and done. Here it will ask you some questions. Of course Google is running ads, so it will ask you for step number 1 and step 5, this one, and you can leave up to default settings because later you can change them. Next, confirm, I agree, boom. Here you created a new Gmail account. Now you are logged in with this new Gmail account. You can also go to Gmail and sign in that account. Go to this new tab and open Gmail. Continue with these smarter features and next. Just click on personalize and done. Alright, so if you go to this place, this is, we changed some settings, so reload this page. Alright, you are good to go. Here you are already signed in with this Gmail account. Now it's time to create a YouTube account. As you are already signed in here, so just go to this place and create a new account. Here it will ask you already picked up. As you can see that it already picked up my channel name, and here I just need to put a comma. This is what I need, so I can write Ethics Voyage. This could be my new channel, and the handle is already selected. If not, you can change this handle anytime, anywhere. If it is not taken, you can change this one. And now hit on create channel. Alright, now you are here at home tab and playlist and channel and about section. There is nothing. You can see that join on September 4 2023 today. So here you can customize your channel. On your home tab you can upload a video by scrolling this place like upload a video. But first we need to do some settings, as I discussed earlier about the profile picture, banner, and the about section, because you need to write here something professionally. Just go to customize channel. You will be referred to here. Just go continue, and here is the branding option. So here you need to upload your profile photo. For now I'm gonna upload this photo because this is perfect for YouTube channel according to the size. If you don't know the size, you can Google the size of a profile picture here. And here is the banner we created on this channel. For this channel, this is my banner. And if you don't know about creating this banner, then look for the end screen in this video or up above in the I button. Okay, open this one. On all devices it will look like this one. Perfect, done, and your banner is there. I was talking about a logo watermark. You can 150 by 150 pixels. That is this one. It will appear on all of your videos, new videos you upload, and you can create this one in Canva or some other software. It is clickable. It will be clickable. Somebody is looking at this one and clicks this one, it will be that person will go to the subscribe button there. Alright, so we can upload that one as well. Just go to watermark and open this one. All right, this is perfect. It's 150 by 150, and here is an option. You want to in the entire video, whatever you will upload in the future, like entire video or custom start up to 0.5 seconds in the start or end of the video. I just want it to custom, and maybe 5 seconds is also okay. 0.5 after 5 seconds it will appear. Here you can now go to publish this one, or maybe basic info, and then you can publish. Right, so here is your YouTube channel name, and here is your YouTube handle, and here is the description. Right, I was talking about this description, so this is basic info. Just copy this one and now go to paste this one here. This is all done. You have to write this info according to your niche. Here is the URL of your channel, and here you can add up to 14 links. Now currently just YouTube is rolling out that feature that you can add up to 14 links, but for now I can add some links here for my other handles like Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. All right, so here is my first link, and that is for Instagram, right? And then now I can go to add another link, and these are the links I was talking about. You need to write down this information first so that it will be a lot more easier. Alright, I have already pasted all those links, and you can add more links as well. You have Twitch account or other accounts, like any kind of account, you can link this one, but remember, those websites must not be banned somewhere or doing any spamming or something like that. You can add your website link as well. Here you can type the email for your monetization. For example, if somebody is gonna contact you for any kind of business queries, then you can type, and I'm gonna type my own email that I created for this channel. All right, I have typed here. Now if you see like this kind of things, you will upload videos later on, we are coming there, and basic information, everything is done. I can change this email as well. Perfect. Now everything is done. You just need to go to publish. Boom, there you go. You have published your channel, and now you refresh this one. Here is your profile picture, and now if we go to home button, go to your channel. All right, now I refresh because it's gonna take some time. You see the banner, you see the profile picture, about section, and the links we provided. It already looks professional. You can start uploading your videos, but we still need to do a lot of other elements in this channel. So just go to your profile again, and now go to your studio. On this dashboard you will see like there is nothing. It's 0 subscribers and 0 videos. So here you need to click on setting button, and here you need to change some settings. In first tab, general, select the country of your residence. For example, I'm from like Pakistan, and I can choose Pakistan here. Here are the keywords you need to copy from the file. Here are my channel tags or keywords, right? So I can copy all of them, and here I can paste all those keywords. Look like it goes beyond. Characters are only 500 and I have 1000 almost, so I can reduce them. You have to be careful that you choose these tags and keywords according to your niche. If your niche is about cooking, then you just type these tags according to cooking channel. If you are making videos about football, then make these tags about football or whatsoever you're doing. I'm doing like tech and algorithm related things in Urdu language or Hindi language. So for this channel, I'm gonna do these tags, and let me remove them quickly. All right, now I have 485 characters, and I can save here and go to advanced setting as well. Here you need to make some of the changes. If you want others not to clip your videos, then you check mark this one and make sure that you're not making content for the kids. If you have some kind of content that is for kids, then check these options like yes, this channel is made for kids. If not, then I want to review this in the server later whenever you upload the video, or you can simply select no, this channel is not made for kids. If you have a Google account, AdSense account, you can link that AdSense account here. For feature eligibility, here you can go for the 2 factors verification. After a few days it will be eligible for advanced features once you upload your videos. After this one, you will get this feature, and this is the criteria here. And then you go to upload default. Here is the thing you can do. I have copied the description. I can post it. At the end of each video, you want to just add some description. I'm going to add some description about my other channel links. If you have any affiliate links, you can provide those one. And if you have same title, you can write some same titles, but I don't really do that. Go to unlisted, because you should review your video before publishing it, and then you can have some permanent tags. Whenever you upload any new video, these tags and this description will already be written there. You don't need to write it again and again and again. So here is one tag I want for all the videos. Then in advanced setting, here you can select some standard license, and wherever what the language of your video could be, it could be English, or it could be Urdu or Hindi or Pashto whatsoever, or Arabic language, you can select, or you can leave this one, because once you upload your first video, it will also be there as an option. And here in permission section, you can change your ownership to give your channel to any other person. And in this advanced setting, you can also put some comments on hold, and some bad comments or like that, or allow all kind of. So normally I allow all kind of comments. In this community tab, you can also add some moderators or manager for your channel. And here is the actual deal. Here, if you think like some words are offensive and you don't want people to write those words on your channel, you can block those words. Here are some of the words I don't want people to write these kind of things on my channel, and do some spamming. And you can also block some links, right? I don't allow people to use abusive language to a content creator. If you don't like somebody's content, then that's okay. You just skip and watch someone else, instead of writing something bad about the people. That's why I just block these words. And you can also block the links. And here is an agreement. Everything is done here, and you can also set the currency according to your country, and I leave it to US dollar, that is standard, and then hit save button. Perfect. Now channel has been created. You just go to your channel. There is no video right now. It looks perfect, fine, professional. Let's say for a test, I just want to upload this file, and that will be my first video, and I can write a title, test video. And look, I don't need to write these lines as I said them before. Here I can write like a short description. Alright, I can write anything. Here you can choose a thumbnail for your video. You have already selected your number. Now you will get a notification here, and verify that code on your phone number. Submit. Okay, your phone number is verified now. Now you can select the thumbnail, click on the thumbnail, and upload anything. Right now I'm gonna upload any random picture. Let's say I'm gonna choose this banner. This thumbnail you can see right now here, and here you can select, we selected already, it's not made for kid. Show more, and here you can write. You see, like we have written this tag already, we don't need to write this tag anymore. Hit on next button, add your end screen, add some cards in your videos, and here you need to wait for the verification that it has no copyrights. Then next, and then you hit the unlisted or private or public. We already selected it as unlisted from the setting, so this video is already selected as unlisted. So we can just go save, and here we go. Our first video has been uploaded. I just did it unlisted because I don't want this video to be public. I'm pretty sure you learned a lot through this channel. By the way, I created this channel, and feel free to subscribe that channel, because I will be posting some Urdu or Hindi language tutorial on that channel as well. And if you have any question, write in the comments section below. Don't forget to like that video. I'll bring new awesome content for you. Bye.